Welcome to the City Church TV. My name is Vanessa Estrelina. The City Church Windsor is back in the heart of the city of Windsor, and they will be opening their new building doors at 2366 Dougall Avenue. Renovations are almost complete, and the doors will be open to families to worship again. If you have been following the renovation process, you know that this new facility is very large and it will be able to accommodate plenty of different things for worship services, catered events, concerts, meetings, and more. To adhere to social distancing at 30%, they will be able to accommodate 125 people per service. They will be offering 2 services on Sunday mornings at 9:30 a.m. and 11 a.m. and 1 service Thursday evenings at 7 p.m. Please make sure you register ahead online at www.thecitychurch.co. The opening day will be Sunday, August the 9th at 9:30 a.m. and a second service at 11 a.m. Again, the Thursday night service will be the same week, held on August the 13th at 7 p.m. Bishop Mel Freeman and Pastor Kim Freeman have been working very hard to bring the Word of God to your home through live stream, but they would love to see your smiling face. All newcomers are welcome, but please remember to register on www.thecitychurch.co, not com.co. To make sure that your family space is reserved, please register online to let us know which service you will be attending. You will be grouped with your family instead of theater seating to adhere to safe social distancing measures. When you arrive, you will be sat in your reserved spot to enjoy a safe worship experience. This has been another episode of the City Church TV. I'm Vanessa Estrelina. Thanks for tuning in.